In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Salesforce calendar efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, gaining mastery over the calendar feature can greatly enhance your productivity by helping you keep better track of your important meetings and tasks. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. This is the central hub where you can access a variety of features, and from here, we're going to move on to your calendar. To locate your calendar, you need the app launcher. You'll notice this icon represented by a collection of colorful circles or buttons located at the top left corner of your screen. It's situated right next to the Setup section. When you click this icon, it opens up a world of possibilities within Salesforce, including the calendar feature that we're looking for. Upon clicking the app launcher, a search bar will appear. This is super handy because Salesforce has lots of tools, and the search feature helps you find what you need without scrolling endlessly. Type calendar into the search bar and you'll see the relevant options appear almost instantly. Once you see the calendar option pop up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action leads you directly into your calendar view. Here you have the full picture of your agenda, showing all your scheduled events such as meetings and calls. It's a powerful organizational tool that offers a visual representation of your commitments. The calendar's interface is quite intuitive. At the top, you can customize your view to suit your preference. You can opt to see your schedule by the day, week, or month, allowing for flexibility based on your planning needs. This feature can be quite beneficial when you need a broader overview, or alternatively, want to focus on a specific day. Adding new events is simple and efficient in the Salesforce calendar. When you want to schedule a new appointment, you can either click directly on the date you're interested in or use the new event button. This opens up a form where you can fill in the details of your event. Make sure to include all the necessary details like the title, time, participants, and any other specifics important for your meeting or task. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save to ensure your event is recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to your Salesforce calendar and learned how to organize your events effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure that your schedule is always up to date and that you're making the most of the powerful tools Salesforce offers. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.